Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best 70 Mai Dash cam available right now. The 70 Mai new 4K dash cam A810. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed dash cam that captures every detail with stunning clarity, this might just be the one you need for your car. The 70 Mai A810 stands out with its true 4K UHD video quality thanks to the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. This sensor, combined with 70 Mai's exclusive Mai Color Vivid Plus solution, ensures that footage is not only sharp but also perfectly balanced in exposure and color accuracy. Whether you're driving through bright daylight or challenging low-light conditions, the dash cam adapts seamlessly to deliver crisp and vibrant videos. One of the biggest upgrades in this model is its dual-channel HDR recording. Both the front and rear cameras capture high-definition footage simultaneously, so you're covered from every angle. The rear camera supports 1080p HDR, which is crucial for capturing important details like license plates or rear-end collision evidence. You can easily switch between front and rear views with the press of a button, and rest assured, videos from both cameras are saved automatically regardless of what's being displayed on the screen. Nighttime driving is a whole new experience with the A810, thanks to the exclusive Night Owl View feature. This combines dual HDR technology with the advanced Sony Starvis sensor to deliver exceptional clarity and color saturation in the dark. So, whether you're driving through poorly lit streets or highways, this dashcam ensures that your footage is detailed and clear, providing peace of mind around the clock. The built-in GPS is another smart feature that adds tremendous value. It tracks your driving routes, speed, and precise location, which is incredibly useful not only for navigation but also as evidence in the event of an accident or insurance claim. You can even review your journey through route tracking maps generated by the 70 Mai app. Speaking of the app, it's designed for convenience. The dashcam creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to connect your smartphone directly without using your mobile data. Through the 70 Mai app, you get instant access to real-time footage, can easily download or edit videos, and enjoy over-the-air updates that keep your device running smoothly with the latest features and fixes. Safety gets an extra boost with the Advanced Driver Assistance System or ADAS. This system monitors front vehicle movement, lane departures, and potential hazards, alerting you in real time to help you stay aware and avoid accidents. On top of that, the A810 offers a 24/7 smart parking monitor with AI motion detection. This means your vehicle is watched over even when parked, automatically recording any suspicious activity or impacts. The dashcam supports loop recording, so you don't have to worry about storage running out. It automatically overwrites the oldest footage to keep recording continuously. It also has an emergency button that lets you manually lock important videos, ensuring critical moments are preserved and protected from being overwritten. If you want to take security to the next level, there's an optional 4G module available. This allows remote previewing, notifications, and cloud storage, giving you real-time alerts on your phone if anything unusual happens to your car, whether you're nearby or miles away. Installation is straightforward, and the device comes with a compact 3-inch IPS screen for easy navigation and viewing. It supports micro SD cards ranging from 32 GB up to 256 GB, giving you flexibility and storage capacity. In summary, the 70 Mai new 4K dashcam A810 is a powerhouse in the dashcam market. It combines top-tier video quality, intelligent features like ADAS and parking monitoring, GPS tracking, app connectivity, and optional 4G support to deliver a comprehensive safety solution for any driver. If you want dependable, crystal-clear footage and smart features all in one sleek package, this dashcam is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth looks at the latest tech, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Drive safe and see you in the next video.